Hi, this is Anil with a video tutorial for the YouTube channel Learning Lad on C programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna see type defined structures and the type defined unions. So first we're gonna see what are these type defined structures and type defined union. A type defined structure or a union is a structure or union definition with a keyword typedef. So using this typedef keyword we are giving a new name for our structure or union definition, and we are using that new name to create the structure or union variables. So first we're gonna see the syntax of creating a type defined structure, and then we're gonna see how we can use that in our program. The syntax of this type defined structure or union is first we need to use the keyword typedef, and then if you are creating a type defined structure you need to use a keyword struct here, and if you're using a type defined union you need to use the keyword union. Then it's similar to the definition of a structure or a union, and at the end we need to use type id. So this type id is gonna be the new name for our structure definition, and we are using this type id to create the variables of type defined structure or type defined union. So now we're gonna see how we can create our type defined structure and how we can use that in our program. So first we need to use the keyword typedef. Then since we are now creating a type defined structure we need to use struct keyword and a pair of curly braces, and at the end we need to use a new name for our structure definition. Now we're gonna define our structure members. Let's say we have int age and char name of size 10. Here we need to give a name for our structure definition, and let me give a name of person. So this person is a name given to this structure definition. Now we can use this person and create variables of this structure. We don't need to use struct then the structure name. We can only use this person and create the structure variables. And now I will be using this person and defining a structure variable. Let's say var, and now I'm gonna initialize this one. So it's gonna be var dot age equal to 23. Then I'm gonna use the strcpy function to copy the string or initialize the string to our var variable. So it's gonna be var dot name, and then we need to specify the string here. So let's say Anil Shetty. So now this initializes these two values to our var structure variable, and also you can retrieve the value from that variable. So I'll be using the printf statement, and I'm going to use %d, then add a tab, then %s, and here I will be referring var.age and then var.name. So I'm gonna save this one, execute, compile and run. Now you can see here it's just similar to defining a structure variable and then assigning values and retrieving the values from that structure variable. So this is how you can create a type defined structure using typedef keyword. So now we're gonna see how we can create a type defined union. So here we just need to change this struct to union, and it's gonna create a type defined union. And also it's just similar to accessing union variable values. So with unions we can only access only one member at a time. That's why I'll be removing this one, and I'm only gonna access the name. Save it, execute, compile and run. Now you can see here we got the value. And now we're gonna see the advantage of using this type defined structures or type defined unions. When we create a type defined structure or a type defined union, we can only use that type name or type id, and you can create the variables. You don't need to use struct, then the structure name, then the variable name, or union name, and then union variables. We can it just reduces some typing effort. Can say that your code will be easy to read. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I see you in the next tutorial.